Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. And I have pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can watch that, so that will follow this general reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. We have 5 of stars in reverse, 10 of stars, and 10 of moons in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or personal life situation. You are maybe sad, maybe something has happened in your life today. Maybe you are missing someone. Maybe this person you love, they have left you, or someone close to you, they have moved to a different place or moved to a different country. Someone is left you, maybe has left you, and you are missing them very much, and you feel really lost without this person, guys. You feel really sad and stressed because of their absence in your life today, guys. And you have maybe for some of you, it may be this person you love. You tried your best to make them understand your feelings. You tried to voice your feelings, tell them what you really feel like. But you are exhausted. This person does not understand anything about you, or they are not willing to listen to you or your words. So they have moved out of your life, and you are crying, maybe, guys. For some of you, I see that you are feeling really disappointed, exhausted by how things went, how your circumstance went, and you have given up. Maybe you have tried your best, did everything you could, but this person has not changed, or it is not, they are not changing, or your circumstance is not changing. So you feel really, what to say, isolated. You feel really worried, sad, and disappointed. And maybe you are maybe this may be the person you love, guys, and they have left you, or maybe you would have tried to stop them from leaving you, but this person is not listening to you, and things are going in a very bad way in your situation, guys. And there may be some arguments or some stressful things that happened that would have taken you towards this circumstance today. You are missing them a lot. Maybe something has come up. You really had a good relationship with this person, or they would have had a good relationship with you, but what they said or what you said has sparked some kind of misunderstandings or arguments, and that has been the reason for things going in this way in your life today, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have the Sun. So this is a very positive card here, guys. So maybe this person you love, they may understand you, or in future, guys, they may come to an understanding. So they may understand you, know what went wrong and what is the reason, maybe in your future, guys. So this is a very positive card here. So whatever went between you both, maybe some stressful things, whatever it is, this person is going to, what to say, understand you, or if it is your energy, you are going to understand them, and there is a chance that you may get back together, guys. Taurus. So let's see what is this card. It's Fortune's Wheel for your career situation, guys. So things are going in a positive way in your career situation, guys, and you are, what to say, progressing, making great progress. Some things are going well, some things may not be, and the reasons may be destiny. So whatever you are supposed to succeed in, you are tasting success, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn. When we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys, and this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today, something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seraphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts. But today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.